If you know that you're supposed to live a life of freedom, yet your life still looks the same as everybody else's, and you want to make 1 to 3K per month with online coaching, then the $1,000 Fastlane may be exactly what you need. Here are the results of all 20 members who joined 2 months ago. Now, from members who took at least 1 sales call, the average member has made almost $3,700 in deals and already collected $2,000 in cash up front. And for your first $1,000, okay, we have a 77% success rate. Take Lawrence, for example. He is an 18-year-old consistency coach, and he had made nothing off selling his low-ticket course for months. And he just needed to know what to do and how to get more traffic. And so he joined the Fastlane, and we told him exactly what to do to start high-ticket coaching and fix his traffic problem. And now he has made $3,000 in the past 2 months.
Yo boys, I made my first $3,000 working with Sam. It's absolutely amazing, and I just made another 1K sale today.
If you want results like these, then book an application call with the link below to see if we can help you. But if you want to hear more before booking in, here's what we'll go through in this video. Firstly, the gears of business and how, like a car, you're probably trying to start your business in the wrong gear, and this will probably give you a fucking big ass realization, bro. Secondly, who I am and how I've started a $50,000 coaching business at 16. And thirdly, the Align Launch Scale roadmap and how we get such fucking insane results. Now, after going on calls with over 300 young men exactly like you, I know how you feel, bro. You just want to fucking lock in, grind hard as fuck to just make a couple K per month so that you can drop out, quit your job, maybe move to somewhere warm, Southeast Asia, where you can eat the best diet of your full-time freedom and just go all in on your business. And the results feel just so far in the future and just so unlikely. And so you're not really motivated to just lock in and grind hard as fuck. Though I can tell you, brother, that it is not your fault, okay? It is not your fault that you've been grinding so hard and barely even moving. It's just that you've been trying to start the car in gear 5. You see, different businesses are like different gears in a car. A gear 5 business is infinitely scalable. It's very, very automatic. You can go really fast with a gear 5 business. You can make 200K a month with a gear 5 business. For example, YouTube and a low ticket course, infinitely scalable, very automatic, but you know the thing about gear 5? It's very, very hard to start the car, almost impossible to start the car in gear 5, which if you've been doing YouTube or a low ticket course, you have probably experienced that. Now, a gear 1 business, on the other hand, is going to be something very unscalable and probably very, very manual as well, where you can only make 3K per month with it. And a gear 1 business is high ticket coaching, taking sales calls and getting your traffic from school networking. The thing about gear 1 though, bro, okay, is it's really fucking easy to start the car in gear 1. And actually, that's how you're supposed to start the car in gear 1, because gear 1 is such high leverage. But the thing is, okay, it doesn't just end at gear 1. Let's say you max out gear 1, you get to 3K per month. Well, now you can drop out, you can quit your job, you can move to, somewhere warm, or at least just put all your time into your business. Okay, and now it's much easier for you to grind on your business. Okay, and then let's also say you got 5 high ticket clients. Well, guess what? You get those 5 clients, you put them all in a group together. Guess what? You now sell group coaching. And then with this new money, you can hire a setter, a closer. So now it's more automatic. You no longer have to take the calls. And guess what? By you doing coaching, you've now got way more experience in your niche. You can also now hire an editor. You can now make really, really good YouTube videos. All right. So you make good YouTube videos, you blow the fuck up. Okay. And from those YouTube videos, you can sell some sort of, really automatic course. And voila, you have just shifted up the gears from gear 1 starting out into gear 5. Take Hamza, for example. If you scroll back on his channel, you can see he actually started with high ticket coaching. He made 5K a month with that, got a fuck ton of experience in coaching self-improvement. With that money, he then hires his editor. With his new experience and his new editor, he blows the fuck up. He sells a course, voila, Hamza is now in gear 5 making like 200K a month. Don't copy what they are doing, okay? Copy what they did. And so if all of this has made you go, oh shit, then you should probably book an application call with the link below right now. Now, this model of shifting up the gears, I'm so passionate about it, bro, because when I discovered it, it completely changed my life. Now, if you don't already know me, my name is Sam Walford. I've actually recently just turned 17, and I'm from Coventry in England. And 2 years ago, I also felt that I was destined for a life of freedom, yet my life still looked the same as everybody else's. I was still stuck in school, being forced to study about shit I didn't care about, not really eating the most optimal diet. I was making a little bit of money from selling my low-ticket course, but but it wasn't nearly enough to convince my parents to let me drop out or for me to go traveling. And to be completely honest, I was constantly anxious over going broke, but then a year ago, I discovered the model of the gears, and I realized that I was trying to start my business in Gear 5 doing YouTube and a low ticket course, and so of course I naturally shifted back down into Gear 1 and I started high ticket coaching and school networking. And I won't lie bro, that shit was a fucking grind, but it started working and I started making a couple K per month with coaching, and so of course I dropped out and I went traveling Europe with my online friends, and I even made a self-improvement documentary with the BBC at that time. And then in December last year, I actually hit my first 10K month, and then in February I launched the first cohort of the $1,000 Fastlane to help you to achieve this fucking awesome life. And of course since then we have done over $50,000 in client results in the past 2 months. Now we are currently relaunching. Because I know from first-hand experience, brother, that 1 to 3K per month has the ability to completely change your life. All I want now is to help you achieve this dream for yourself. So Sam, you ask, what do you actually do to start your business in Gear 1? Now, like I said, after going on over 300 calls of young men exactly like you and helping 30 guys to hit 1 to 3K per month, I have seen what works and what doesn't work. And from that, I've been able to put together the Align, Launch, Scale roadmap for you to follow. Phase 1 is the Align phase, and this is basically the preparation phase. Now, what happens is that most guys tend to just like think about their niche to try and figure it out. And what happens is they don't end up really understanding their niche at all because they've just sort of like guessed from their own personal experience. And so no one ends up being really interested in their school communities or their YouTube videos. And so no one ends up buying. In this roadmap, instead of guessing what our niche wants, we simply just go and ask them. But then Sam, you ask, how do we do this? Well, the answer to that is free coaching. For the first 2 to 4 weeks of this roadmap, you do free quick win coaching, and this will get you really fucking clear on who your niche is and how to help them. It also gives you experience coaching, it gives you proof and testimonials. Then you'll be ready for phase 2, which is the launch phase. And phase 2 is all about keeping your business as Gear 1 as possible to essentially get you really fucking good at sales before we push to make 1 to 3K a month. Now, we have found that the 3 main determining factors of if you get sales or not are firstly the quality of your sales script, secondly your ability to use that sales script, and thirdly how many sales calls you take. For your sales script, we simply just give you the best scripts that they use at the top of the industry, which are gate kept. You can't find this shit on YouTube, by the way, bro. And then we personalize it for you. Then for your sales skill, we review every single one of your calls so that within 2 to 3 calls, you have got over most of the main mistakes which you would struggle to see on your own, so that within 2 to 3 calls, you are already at a level to be closing consistently. After phase 2, you'll have your sales script solid, you'll have your sales skills solid, and now all we need to do is just to get you more calls booked, and that is what phase 3 is for. Phase 3 is the scale phase. Now, after growing my own free community, the $1,000 protocol, to over 500 members, and trying out loads of different traffic sources, YouTube, Instagram, outreach, you know, fucking everything, bro, I found that the best, most Gear 1 way to get reliable, consistent traffic is, of course, school networking. You go and meet people on school, you build relationships with them, you get your name out there, and naturally from networking on school, people who you can help, people who could potentially buy your coaching will naturally emerge, and this is a very consistent, reliable way to get sales calls booked, because if you want to get more calls booked, well, guess what? You just do more networking and send more comments. And this is where you should hopefully hit a consistent 1 to 3K per month, which will then give you the ability to obviously scale up, automate more, and shift into those higher gears going forwards. The Align, Launch, Scale roadmap is how we have a 77% success rate for your first $1,000. This is how Alden, for example, went from $1,000 a month to $12,000 per month, quit his job, and moved to an entirely different country with his girlfriend. Or Harry, for example, an 18-year-old productivity coach who, once we fixed his sales scripts, made over $2,500 in deals. The Align, Launch, Scale roadmap fucking works, bro, and the proof agrees. And so if you want results like these, then of course, book an application call right now with the link below. I won't lie to you, bro. Good things don't come cheap, and the $1,000 Fastlane is not cheap whatsoever. In fact, it is very expensive for young men like us. But if you're the kind of man who's willing to make a serious commitment to a decision that he knows could change his life, then well, of course, book a call below. The worst case scenario is that you join the call and either you can't afford it or you decide that it isn't for you. And in that case, I'll just give you some free clarity anyway and point you in the right direction of what you should be doing so that maybe you'll be able to get your first sale on your own. And then with that money, join the $1,000 Fastlane in the future. Best case scenario is that you join and you make 1 to 3K per month and you drop out, you quit your job and you make lifelong friends with the boys in the Fastlane, and maybe this summer you come traveling with us, which we are planning on doing. And in this life, you're no longer fucking overthinking about school, having to deal with some random shit you don't give a fuck about, man. Because in this life, you already have succeeded and life is fucking awesome, bro. But I am, of course, heavily limiting spots for this cohort of the Fastlane to keep results ridiculously high. And regardless of whether we fill these spots or not, we will be closing doors on April the 30th to start focusing on delivery to our new clients. And so if you want to be one of our clients and you are finally ready to change your life, then book a call below right now, bro. And let's see if we can help you.